Yo, what's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. So check it out, stain removal for interior detailing. This is a car I did not too long ago. The customer called me up. They said, hey, I got some stains I need removed. I'm taking the vehicle back to the dealership. Can you help me? I said, hey, send some pictures. I got you, fam. So check it out. Yes, sir. Check it out, you guys. This is just from using the Craftsman V20 and some Super Clean all-purpose cleaner. See? Came out nice and beautiful, like brand new seeds. So check out the description box. I got the products down below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. You know, if you have some questions, go ahead and ask them in the comment sections. I'll definitely get back to you guys. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one.